At para sa dessert natin, guys. Okay? Hey! Okay, sa mga nagtatanong, guys, hindi yan yung kinain natin kanina. Ayan, yan.
Ayan.
Chocolate Xiaolong Bao. Okay? Chocolate siya. Tikman natin, ha? Pero papakita muna natin sa inyo. Ayan.
Tinanggal na pala yung spoon natin.
Saan?
Tama.
Ayan. Chocolate yan. Ayun, ha?
Di ko matusok eh. Yaman na. Then,
Kuhain mo na ng buo.
kailangan mo siyang i-dip. Baka mainit eh.
Sige na.
Sige lang.
Pasok ka. Okay. Ano na mamaya? Minute? Hindi.
Medyo.
Minute? Tayo naman ang susubok itong chocolate Xiaolong Bao. Okay. Yan So chocolate siya. Okay. Dip ko siya rito. Anong dip to? Salted to?
Sea salt.
Sea salt. Yan Hey. Hey. Sarap. Mainit siya. Sa loob mainit.
Pero kaya naman. Hindi naman siya yung pasong-pasok talaga.
Full. Parang cream.
Second.
Sarap. Bubutasan natin ngayon, guys. Yan, pakita ko sa inyo. Okay. Hey. Yan ang loob niyan. Chocolate talaga. Yeah, it's chocolate, yeah. Yeah.
I thought it was the sushi.
Chocolate.
No,
Okay.
Did you try the sushi?
Yeah.
There is, yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's good.
Yeah. Did you try it?
No.
You should try it.
I
Good.
said to him maybe next time.
Yeah,
Yeah.
maybe next time.
Yeah.
See?
This one is good also.
Okay. So natin
Yeah, it's
dito.
kind of sweet. But I love sweet.
I do. Oh my goodness. And what is that now?
Like a sea salt.
It's a cream.
Like, yeah, it's
So
like a...
is that sweet as well?
No,
Yeah.
not that
That kind of
much.
breaks down
Yeah,
the sweetness.
because
of
it's
it.
kind of salty.
Oh.
Yan, no?
And so that's a sweet tradition.
Yeah, one of their best sellers. That one, the dumpling with the soup
Yeah, they,
inside.
that's what
Yeah.
telling me.
And also this
Wow.
one for their dessert.
I've always wanted to try it.
Sarap.
Oh.
I've never see it actually.